Hello guys, my name is Mario, and today we're gonna be playing some Subway Surfers again. So let's check this shop, see what they got. Ooh, daily gift. What do we have here? Ooh, that's good. Ooh, not bad. Now, what? I'll show you guys. Want me to do another video, then hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell, and yeah, let's see what they got in store. So we're just here, got subscribe. Captain Underpants and the what? I just checked these out yesterday. So who cares, people? Okay, let's get into this. What do I have here now? I'm just sick today. Okay, let's get into this. Woo! Bye-bye! So as you saw in one of my videos, yes, I'm sorry I had to cancel the giveaway. But don't worry, in 1 week, I'm going to start doing the giveaway again. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to do the giveaway. I'll still do the same giveaway. I'll still do the giveaway. Got my word hunt complete. That's good. And so, as you guys know, yeah. So go check out OG Clan and Rickster and the people who won the plus, I'm gonna tell you right now who won it, and write this down on paper, you guys. So the people who won it is Alex Joseph Bone and Nathaniel something. I couldn't get their name right. It's hard to say. So no, Alex Joseph Bone and Nathaniel something. So let's see what we got. Turkey's hat. Stop popping that dumb thing up. Okay. So, don't forget, I canceled it. But if you like Fortnite, if any of you guys like Fortnite, if you want a chance with me, so I'm just a little sick today. If you want a chance to play Fortnite with me, you can. All you need to do is like a week playlist. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, and that's my Fortnite name. So, and don't forget to check out Halo Gamer. It will give, because Halo Gamer is another thing to do to get into this giveaway. So, and don't forget, so these are 4 YouTube channels I want you to go check out. Halo Gamer, Rickster, OG Clan, and Daniela's World. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry you guys, but I just gotta do this. So, as I said, yes, Halo Gamer, if you guys know Rickster from my other videos, so, I mostly be me on my channel now, not Dominic, OG Clan and Rickster will be on my channel anymore. I did it! I'm just joking, that's a commercial. So, sorry guys, I had to go do something. Ah, come on. You're kidding me. Why? Okay, that's going to be the end of this video, so you guys, so bye.